Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. So today in this topic, what we are going to cover is that how to be financially free and how much it takes to be a financially free uh, person. I'm sure you don't want to work all your life just to make your salary and always try to you know try to be scared of leaving your job. So this is not possible until and unless you have planned it along with your job. It is important. I'm not saying that you should leave your job and work on this plan, but always when you start your career, always have a second plan, that plan B, that this is the job I'm doing and this is what is the stream which I want to get into. So what am I doing to build that stream of income? So you need to start doing that along with your job. Start saving money from there and start investing in your business and start spending time over the weekends so that you focus mainly on that and you travel this journey for like 5, 6, 10 years, and then when your parallel income becomes sustainable and it becomes big, so I think that is the place, that is the time where you can take a decision to switch your career and leave your job and get into this full-time business. So that's how you have to get into this business, or become a financial free person. So there are many ways where you can invest. You can invest in lands, you can invest in businesses, you can invest in stocks, you can do trading, and you can also do many kinds of you can become a life coach. These days it's very popular. And also you can become whatever is your passion, whether it's dance, music, or you want to make a YouTube channel of yours. So there are various options, but that needs time. So when it requires time, you also need consistent earning to make your life easy and make your family run. So always try to have one source of income in hand and then build another source of income in hand. It took me really long time because I'm 39 right now. So that point of time I didn't have so many options available, but today for this generation there are so many options available, and I see people are making millions and millions by trying new ideas, because it's all about smartphone. And a generation, millennial generation, has many opportunities to do. So conventional models of doing a graduation, doing an MBA, doing engineering, all these are still there, but parallelly a lot of options are available which you can think and start making money on a regular basis. When you're in 20s, that is the right time to think like this, and if you're thinking like this in your 20s, then you're going to do fantastic in your life. And I'm sure in within 10 to 12 years you'll be completely financially free, and have your own business and ample money to survive for your future as well as your next generation. And if something clicks well for you, then you will have 7 generations enjoying your hard work which you have put in, and next 7 generation will also start feeding from what you have earned. So that's how people in the past, the billionaires who are there today, they have built their empires like that. So whether it is Reliance or whether it is Birlas, whether it is Tatas, they've all built the empires like this, and they have sustained the business. And that's a very big topic. Business is a very big topic which can be covered, but becoming financially free is what you need to start thinking from the age of 20s. You need to start questioning yourself, why do I need to get into a job? Because the first thing you need to get into a job is to make money, right? And follow your passion. So if you're working and your passion is not your job, then you should start thinking about your parallel source of income. No matter how much hard you work in any organization, there are different steps. Associate, manager, senior managers, AVP, all these levels have to be crossed to reach to that level. The higher you reach, the higher stress you're going to have, and you need to be ready to take the higher stress at that particular age of life. And life is not going to be the same. It is always changing, and nobody will remain healthy and fit all the time. There will be situations where you need to get into a lot of things with your relatives, your family, and overall your own health will suffer, and nothing is permanent. So when you have time in hand, that is the right time for you to think on these things and build substantial income, become financially free, and also keep these things in mind that for becoming financially free, you need to have your own house, you need to have your own car, no liabilities on head, have assets which can give you income, okay, and always save money. So if you're wanting to become financially free, you suddenly quit your job, you have liabilities, you will land up in a lot of trouble. So don't do that. Have your job, have patience, and don't get bogged down by the issues which happen at work. Somebody is not giving you a position, somebody is not giving an increment. Think this job as a temporary thing. You always work on your permanent plan. Your permanent plan is to become financially free. For that, you're already working and building something. So don't be bothered about the things which happen in the job. So that's the Gyan for this week. Let's get started with our analysis on Bank Nifty and Nifty, and let's see if I can teach you some new strategy today which you can use and start making money. So let's get started. So let's get started with our analysis for this week. We will start with the monthly time frame first. So I am using TradingView. For all those people who are watching my video for the first time, I use 20 and 200 period moving average and a super trend 14.2 setting. Okay, so this is a monthly candle. Yes, this is a monthly candle which we are seeing. Let me refresh this, and this is a Bank Nifty spot chart. So as you can see, this month's candle, it's still very narrow range. Okay, though this was a month of June, this was a month of May was a complete reversal, and this was a bullish sign after it has crossed the previous high. So we are forming a narrow range candle here last whole month. Now the candle is also very narrow range, so the movement can happen either ways. Either it can shoot up or down. If it shoots up, this will form a new all-time high, and the market can go higher from there. So as you can see, this is completely in a zone. Whenever market is consolidating in a uptrend, then expect a further move, and this was a one reversal which we can notice. This could have been a good entry for us, but there is also possibility that if it doesn't get the required liquidity here and money flow here, it will come back to this level in this zone and then start moving up. Okay, so let's see this, analyze this on a weekly time frame. A weekly time frame also, we had a positive week of 21st June, and then this week it is about starting higher in this zone and then it came down. Sorry, there was some drilling happening, so there is a disturbance, so please ignore that. So this was a very the candle opened in a zone where it was getting a lot of selling pressure, and the market started going down from there. So we have to wait when this reversal will happen. This entire month it can happen, so this is only 7 days in this month. So let's go to a daily time frame and see what it is saying. So when I saw this particular candle on a daily time frame, this was a narrow range candle, I created positions on the downside because I was expecting the market to move down, and at the same time it was a risk to reward defined strategy. So market came into this direction and gave me money, and then it started consolidating. So now the position which I am holding is about a sideways market. Let's see, that is only till Monday or Tuesday, and if any breakout happens, then my strategy would be to chase that side of the market. So that way we can make consistent income. So on a 3-minute time frame, the market was very sideways. This, if you see it like this, you will not be able to understand. I will show you a broader picture here. What we need to do is just plot the highs and lows of this. So we get a rectangle, and this rectangle, this was the high, this was the low, and the market is in this range. It can touch the high, come back. Touch the high means you should not always feel that this is the line which is going to touch. No, this particular area is complete zone. Always draw two lines and ensure that this is the level in which market can return. So this, you see the bodies here of this long wick candles, so that will be your entire range of that market. So you can completely take this as a range and see from there it returned, and here also you can take this complete range, touched in this zone, then it returned. Now it is going into a narrow range. See, it was high, so this was high, this was low, and this was the second high, and this was the second low. After that it formed a higher low. So in this, if you see the trend line, it is moving upwards, and here it is moving, it is forming a kind of a symmetrical pattern here. So if you draw a trend line from here, let's draw that and also show it to you so that you are more clear in terms of how to identify the patterns. So this was I will take a ray from here. You can see this was the this will be your okay. So now you can see that it is forming a symmetrical triangle. So if any breakout happens above this level, then it's completely bullish sign, and if it drops from this level, you can expect the support at this level. If this support breaks, then it can drop further. So you always need to trade at those levels. Either you sell at this level or buy at this level. Do not trade in between, you will lose money. So as simple as that. And what is the position I'm holding right now? Looking at this kind of sideways market, I have created a position like this, which is already an 800 profit, which I created on Friday. And you can see the risk to reward is 1:0.68, which is fine. I am holding this only for Monday or Tuesday to see where the market opens, because we have 2 days of break. So that's why I have taken this strategy, and this strategy has given me a range of about 1500 points here, 1500 points. So market has to move 1500 points by Monday to give me a loss in this strategy. Okay, it has to either open here or open here to give me loss. If it doesn't open anywhere here or here, still I'll be in profitable. My idea is to exit the moment I see a 2000 profit in this strategy. My investment is about 83,000, and this is a very good strategy if you want to deploy it over a weekend. Okay, so what is the strategy? I've sold a 34,200 put, 100 rupees, sold a 35,300 call, 100 rupees. Bought the same 34,200 put in next week expiry, bought the same call, 35,300 call, next expiry. So this time decay from this 100 rupees is what I'm going to capture, because there won't be much time decay on this next week expiry. So this will be our positive side. That is why it is showing as green if the market opens in this zone. The only way substantially, if I have opening which is by 1500 point negative, then my max loss is about 12,446. even that is capped. So it is not like unlimited loss, means suddenly something happens and market opens like 2000 points gap down, even then I will lose only this much. Okay, so this is the safest strategy I can deploy on a weekend, and you can also deploy. It's not a rocket science at all. If you are scared to take these positions, you can just use this Opstra definage and try to copy the strategies which I am showing and put it there for a week and see what is the kind of returns you're getting. I'm sure that can be the easiest thing which you can do without investing any money, if you see that whether my strategies work or not. So you can definitely try it. And for this week, I think this is what I wanted to cover. So thank you so much for watching and motivating me. And please do subscribe, share, and bring in more people of like-minded people, so that we can learn together and everybody can start benefiting from this. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.